Please, this is Dinh, author of Wrapped in Sin. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine home decor as well as a serving tray. Everything for this project today is from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe below. So let's get started. What you're going to need is 4 of these 8.5 by 10 picture frame, and you want to look for the one that is a little bit thicker in depth, so this way we can have something to work with. And I'll show you why you're going to need 4 of these. It does come in silver or gold. The other thing you'll need is some beads. I went ahead and picked a strand of these type of beads. They're like garland beads. There were some that were Valentines with little heart shapes on them, and they were pretty pink and red, but they ran out, so unfortunately I don't have those to show you, but I did pick up this other strand, and I used the fuchsia and gold and red off of these for the project. You'll also need your E6000. You'll need a pair of pliers and a pair of scissors, and some Kleenex or Windex glass cleaner, and also you'll need a handle. These are like little door handles that I had picked up from Lowe's. So we're going to need all of that for this project. Now, one of the tedious part of this project is to cut these little beads off the strand as close as possible to the beads, so that it doesn't show too much of the string. And otherwise, that's what we're using today for the insert. So we're going to set that aside, and we're going to get started with the tray. So what we're going to do is take the glass out. Now, I'm not going to show you all 4 of them because I already prepped one part of the serving tray to speed things along. But I will save all of the insides for this because I'll probably use it for something else in the future for another project instead of throwing it away and wasting it. So let me go ahead and take that out. And what you're going to want to do, now the glass on this is super thin, as you can see. So that's the reason why I went ahead and bought 4 of these. Is because I wanted it to double up on the glass to make it a little bit more sturdy if I was to place something a little bit heavier on my serving tray. I didn't want my serving tray to collapse on me. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is at least clean this first, and then we're going to go ahead and get started with the rest. So let's just do this real fast. And I tell you what, Windex is awesome because it is streak free. It really does what it says it's advertised to do. And our E6000, and start setting the glue down to insert the glass in. It's all gone. And then you look, you'll see that there's kind of glue in there. And what we're going to now do is take our first glass, and you want to be careful as you place it in, okay? You don't want it to smudge. And as I drop it, it's going to sit right in there perfectly. Now what you're going to do for the second round is place more glue around the edges, because you're going to lay the other piece of glass right on top of it. Okay, so that's that. And then we're going to get the other piece of glass, because I already cleaned that, and we're going to place it right on top Now I had to use, so then there's 2 right there. And when it's done, it's gonna look like this one, where there's 2 of them already in there, okay? So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and assemble it. I'm sorry, earlier, that you'll also need some of these, these little tabletop decors. I'm gonna use those as part of my decoration. And glue these edges, okay? Because we're gonna go ahead and then place this directly on top. This, it is that simple. Where my door handle will be. So then all I have to do, you have 2 handles. I did get these from Lowe's. They were about maybe $2.50 for each. Okay, isn't that just lovely? Can you see that? So this will be a serving tray, and what we're gonna do is put a cute little cupcake and a cup on there. And that will be, now of course I can't lift it yet because the glue needs to settle. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside for now and let you kind of look at it and see how lovely that little project is. The next thing we're gonna make is a home decor. Now at the Dollar Tree they have this, and it's like a little chalkboard kind of. So what I went ahead and did was purchase one of these, as well as one of these, the little glitter hearts. And I took a red heart out of there, as well as a small pink one from the baby one, and a small red one. And all we're gonna do is simply take this heart and glue them one on top of each other, like that, okay? And I've already made one here that's already completed. And we're gonna center it and just glue it. And that's it to our home decor project. It is, and there we go, lovelies. And so here we just finished 2 projects, I don't know, in a matter of a couple of minutes. So again, my name is Dinh, author of Wrapped in Sin. If you have not read my book, please check it out. It is available with all retailers. And if you are a new subscriber, please subscribe below and like this video. I'm hoping that we can get maybe at least 5,000 likes. If we're able to get up to 5,000 likes on this video, I will make time from my writing to make another video to show you guys another artsy fartsies. Otherwise, have a happy Valentine's, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, my lovelies.